Hello! Today we're going to be discussing the modals must and have to and the differences between the two. I have found that a lot of ESL students often confuse when to use must and have to, or they just use must all the time. There are differences, slight differences between the two that will be discussed in this video. Must and have to both represent necessity. So what's the difference? The difference is that must is stronger, so it is strong necessity. What does this mean? I like to think of it as in terms of the law. The law is a great example of when to use must. So you must follow the laws. If you don't, you're going to be in a lot of trouble. On the other hand, have to is a little bit weaker. For example, I have to go to school today. Well, let's think about it. What would happen if you didn't go to school? Would you get arrested? No, but you might get in some trouble. So that is the main difference. They are also very different in the negative forms. So you must not go over the speed limit. This shows that if you do go over the speed limit, you're going to be in a lot of trouble. You might face a fine or even worse. On the other hand, I don't have to go to school today. Well, that is a very different meaning. I don't have to go to school today means that you are not going to go. Why? Perhaps there's a holiday or it's the weekend, so you do not have to go. There is one other difference. So must can show certainty. So about 95% certainty. So what does that mean? For example, where is Joe? He must be in the kitchen. So if Joe is not here, the only other logical answer is that he would be in the kitchen. This shows to us that we are fairly or very certain of where Joe would be. And that is our logical deduction. So those are the main differences. Must is very, very strong necessity. Have to? It's still strong, but there are not as great consequences, perhaps. And then the negative forms are very different. So must not means prohibition, so you cannot do that. On the other hand, don't have to is lack of necessity. All right, I hope this helped. Thank you, and have a great day.